Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll just get lathered up and today we're going to be doing quite an interesting comparison between two classics. I'm going to compare the design and how it affects like if you've got a tattoo like mine and you want to sculpt it around the top and the sides. So I started restoring this razor last week. For you who subscribe to my channel, you'll see this beauty little gem is now all polished and shiny, and in the last vid I showed you the bit before I started to restore, and the leatherwork was very it was okay, but dry, very dry, and as you can see now it's with a bit of leather cream, vaseline for the cracks and creases, and just a bit of shoe polish at the end. You can see by the reflections in the light it's come up really well. So the razor itself is a very delicate little piece, just a 3-piece, a standard sandwich with a blade. However, you look at this and you think, well, that's just an ordinary blade, isn't it? An ordinary razor. However, we're going to compare it to a standard Gillette Rocket. So this is quite an old Rocket. Now then, this is the thing. I'll just get it in focus. You look at the depth here compared to that. This one is like a double-decker bus compared to this, which is wafer thin. Now the point is, I mean, they're both really good razors. This is a really good classic. Nothing wrong with it. Perfect razor, good condition. However, this one is even better because of the slimness or wafer thin edge. I can get right underneath here. I could even do on the top lip. I can't do that with this one. I end up losing out on the attach. So that's the main difference between these two classic razors. It's great for sculpting. You can get right in and be really accurate. And here I'm just using a standard Wilkinson blade. Nothing fancy, and it's doing the job perfect. There's no broken teeth in the comb, all perfect there, both sides. So and it's really fast. So my intention initially was to keep the Gillette Rocket and sell this one. Because I like the way the barn doors open on the Gillette. Twist to open barn doors. However, from a practical point of view, this one suits my requirements better. Because it's faster and it's more accurate. So that's the main reason why these older blades, razors, sorry, are better for my taste. And then you just simply unscrew the handle and take the two things apart. That's it. Perfect. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll probably catch up with you later on in the week. Bye for now.